Okay, so welcome everybody to this art exhibition called Ubuntu Drums. Actually, Ubuntu is filial of, which is typically an African thing, and also is what we want for humanity. That is, people to be able to express themselves, to bridge the gaps between civilizations and cultures, and to understand each other through the expression of arts and the creation of designs. So here, I will be introducing you to various artists who are here, but first, with the curator, Iris Jabanga from Germany. And thank you very much for curating all this wonderful work here. Thank you.
Thank you also very much.
I would also like to introduce Mr. Smith, popularly known as Smitho in the art world, and he has transboundary experiences in conservation as well as you will see in his works, in diverse paintings and so on. So you will explore that with him. And my wonderful, multi-talented excellence, who is a creator by every right, a designer, and also a coiffeuse. It's our pleasure to have excellence here, and we will also come back to Mande, who has wonderful creations here, and she's a typification of Oromo traditions. And then we want to welcome our brothers from Bamendankwe, who are going to give us a holistic interpretation of the art exhibition by applying sound to the visuals through Bamenda drumming. And therefore, it's going to mark the conclusion for what we have here. And I want to use this opportunity to welcome our guest, Dr. Roland, from the USA, and our friend from Germany, and so on. Ich bin so glücklich, dass du alles in hier, und es ist so ganz gut, dass du hast hier gekommen.
Danke, danke.
So thank you very much, and we hope that we have a wonderful time here exhibiting the works, which is going to be accompanied with poetry as well as these sounds as intimated. Thank you very much for coming.